Welcome back to our last class of the day. Now here we are going to learn some more angles. Two special triangles. We are going to learn about two special triangles. Okay. One is the triangle which has all the sides are equal. The triangle which has all the sides are equal. AB, if it is 5 centimeter, BC also 5 centimeter. AC also how much? 5 centimeter. If all the sides are equal, that is AB equal BC equal AC, then it has a name called which one? Equilateral triangle. What triangle? Equilateral triangle. Clear enough? So this is a special type of triangles. All the sides are equal. Suppose only two sides are equal. Only two sides are equal. This is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Maybe this is 6 centimeter. PQ. Here PQ equal to PR equal to how much? 5 centimeter. That QR is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Is that now? Only two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. What triangle? Isosceles triangle. Okay. So these are some more type of triangles. So there is the scale and triangle where no sides are equal. That is called what triangle? Scale and triangles. Like that, there are different triangles are there. Okay. Then the sum of the length of sides. So two types of triangle clear, right? One is equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal. Another one which one? Isosceles triangle where only two sides are equal. Okay. That is called okay. Suppose no side is equal, then that is called another one more triangle, that is called which one? Scale and triangle. Okay. Sum of any two sides is always greater than third side. Always. So see, AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter, and AC equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Sum of any two sides. Suppose AB plus BC. AB plus BC should be greater. Meaning of this symbol is called the mouth which side is showing, that is greater. AB plus BC is greater than which one? Which one? AC. Let us check. AB how much? 5 centimeter. BC how much? 4 centimeter. And AC how much? 3 centimeter. So 5 plus 4 how much? 9 centimeter. So 9 is greater than which one? 3. Likewise, if you take another way, AB plus AC, right? Suppose AC plus AB. AC how much? AC plus AB. AC how much? Greater than BC. AC how much? AC 3 centimeter. AB 5 centimeter. Greater than BC. BC how much? 4 centimeter. So AC plus how much? 8 centimeter. Be greater than which one? 4 centimeter. So also, if we go to another one, which one? What another one? AB plus finish, then like that you can prove. No need of going again and again. Okay, wasting time. So sum of any two side is, keep in mind, sum of any two side is always greater than third side. Okay. Now with this, based on this, some questions are there. Few questions we will do. After that, we will go to the next exercise. Exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4. Question number 1 tells, is it possible to have triangle with the following sides? Two centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. With this measurement, whether you can draw a triangle or not, you have to find out. How will you know? 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, you measure, sir, you draw, you will get a triangle, isn't it? You are thinking like that, right? Actually, it may be correct, may not be. Let us see. Just few seconds before I explain one question. What is the question? Sum of any two side is always greater than third side. Always greater than. For example, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. Or suppose 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. How much? Equal to 5 centimeter, right? 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter equal to 5 centimeter. But what is the theorem tells? Sum of any two side is always greater than third side. So it is possible or not? Your answer should be no. Is that no? So one more you go. Question number 3, you see, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. When you add any two sides, 6 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Is it greater? 6 centimeter plus 3 centimeter? Which one? Another one is 2 centimeter. Is it greater? No. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sum of two sides is always greater than, yes, this is greater, right? Yes or no? Yes. 6 plus 3, how much? 9 centimeter greater than 2 centimeter. Suppose, now you may be thinking, yes, it is correct. Let us see another way. You add these two, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter, and another is how much? 6 centimeter. 3 plus 2, how much? 5 centimeter. Then it is not greater. Yes or no? It is not greater. Supposed to be greater, but it is not greater. Greater than 6 centimeter. So it is not possible. By looking here, yes, it is possible. But when you look other side, it is not possible. So here also no. Do you understand? So sum of two sides, if it is greater than third side, then it is possible. Otherwise, it cannot be. Okay. Next, another important question is. Very important. John. Right triangle. What triangle? Right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. Another important. Right triangle triangle. In right triangle, what is right triangle? Right means 90 degree. In right triangle, one angle must be how many degree? 90 degree. One angle must be 90 degree. So, here there is a famous mathematician called Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem tells, in right angle triangle, the side opposite to 90 degree, this is 90 degree, the side opposite to 90 degree, the side opposite is 90 degrees, always called which one? Hypotenuse. That is the longest side. Longest side. The side opposite to 90 degree is always longest in right triangle. Okay, the name is called which one? Hypotenuse. The other two sides are called legs. Leg 1, leg Okay. Okay. So according to the Pythagoras theorems, the longest side is always from where? Opposite to 90 degree. The longest side is always opposite to 90 degree. Now what is the Pythagoras theorem is telling is, square of the longest side, square of the longest side is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Other two sides. What is the Pythagorean theorem tells? Square of the longest side, AC square, meaning AC square. Longest side is AC, right? AC square is equal to sum of the square of, sum means what? Plus. Sum means you are going to add. Sum of the square of other two sides. What are the other two sides? That is AB square plus what is that? BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is a Pythagoras theorem tells. This theorem is very, very, very important. In class 10, 5 mark question, one question sure to come for board exams. So right now you are learn nicely. What is the Pythagorean theorem tells? The square of the longest side, that is hypotenuse. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. You have to listen very carefully, learn nicely. Okay. Now let us do some questions here. Question number 1. PQR is a triangle, right triangle to P. PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. Right triangle at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, PQ is equal to how much? 10 centimeter. PR is equal to 24 centimeter. PR is equal to 24 centimeter. Find QR. We have to find out. We have to find out which one? QR. So, what is a property? Property tells time also. Property tells, what is the property tells? Sum of the opposites, isn't it? The 90 degree opposite is on hypotenuse. What is that? That is the longest side. QR square equal to, the longest side square is equal to which one? PQ square plus PR square. That is why, what is the reason? Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorems, the square of the longest side is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So QR we do not know. PQ how much? PQ already got how much? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter square plus PR is how much? 24 centimeter square. QR square equal 10 into 10 how much? 100 centimeter square plus 24 into 24. Multiply. 4 4s are 16. 1 remainder. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. How much? 6. 9 plus 8. How much? 17. 1 remainder. How much? 5. 576 centimeter square. So QR square equal 100 how much? 676 centimeter square. But we need QR, right? So if you remove the Q square here, as I said, you have to put which one? Root, square root. Okay. So how much? 676 centimeters square. Now to find the square root of 676, how are you going to do? You have to go for which one? There are two methods, but square root, you are in class 7, isn't it? Class 7, you do not know how to find out the square root. So you have to go for only factorization. 676. 2 can do it. 2 1 time, 2 3s are 6. 2 1 time, 2 3s are 6. How much remainder? 1 remainder. 16. 2 1 time, 8 times. Next, 2 can do it. 2 1 time, 1 2 2. How much remainder? 1 remainder, 13. 6 2s are 12. Again 1 remainder, which one? 18. 9 2s are 13 into 13, 6. Okay. So QR equal to how much? 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. So QR equal to 2 time coming, right? You already learned, so we will take 2 square. 2 square into 13 also 2 time coming. So 13 square. When you remove the square, the root will disappear. So what is left? 2 into 13 centimeters. Square also will disappear. So QR equal how much? 2 into 13 how much? 26 centimeter. So 26 is the longest side, right? Yes or no? Okay. So how many you are done? So we'll do one more question, or we'll do one more question we can do, right? Okay. Let us go to question number 2. Bit lengthy. The diagram is not lengthy, but it's okay. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground. What is ground? Okay, placed on against the wall at the distance A. Find the distance of the foot from the ladder. This is a wall. This is a ground. Okay. So there is a window here. So you are keeping the ladder. You cannot keep the ladder 90 degree up and walk, isn't it? So this is. So ladder is slide like this. This is a ladder. Length of the ladder is given 15 meter. How many meter? 15 meter length. Kept against the wall. Wall height is given that we up to window how much? 12 meter. Now you might be standing here. So this is a plane name given A. We want to know how far you are standing from the wall. From the foot of the wall, how much distance you are standing? That is our questions. Okay. Now, let's say any name given? No name given. We can do A, B, and C. The height of the wall. How much? AB equal 12 meter. The length of the ladder. That is which one? AC is equal how much? 15 meter. Distance. Distance BC. A equal to question mark. We do not know. Go back. What is that? Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagorean theorem tells? The square of the longest side, that is AC square. Or you can do the square of sum of the square of the two sides, that is AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Reason? Yes. What is the reason? Pythagoras by Pythagoras theorems. AB. What is AB? AB is 12. 12 meters square plus BC, we do not, BC is A square equal AC is how much? 15. 12 into 12, yes. Can you tell me what is 12 into 12? Yes, 144 meters square, A square. 15 into 15, can you tell what is 15? 225 meter square. So A square equal 225 meters square. Here it is adding plus, so also it will become minus. How much? 144 meters square. So A square equal 5 minus 4, how much? 1. 225 minus 144. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 4 cannot go, borrow 12. 12 minus 4, how much? 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So 81 meters square. So A is equal to, if you remove the square, other side you have to put which one? Root. 81 meters square. So A is equal to how much? What is the square root of 81? 9. 9 meter. A will be how much? 9 meter. Okay, children. So this much we are done. The remaining questions you have to do by yourself. Okay. Children, we have learned a lot of points today. Regarding triangles, we learned a lot. How many sides are there? What is the angle? What is altitude? Yes or no? Then what is vertex? Then also we have learned which one, what is median? Yes or no? Also we have learned which one, different type of triangles. Yes or no? Also some of the two sides of any triangle is greater than always which one? That side. Then what is right triangle we will learn. Isosceles triangle we will learn. We also learn which one, equilateral triangle we will learn. Yes or no? We also learn which one, exterior angle theorems. What is exterior angle theorem? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, that we learn. Also we learn what we learn, sum of the angles of the triangles. When you add all the three angles of the triangle, you are supposed to get how many degree? 180 degree, that we know. But today we will learn how it become 180 degree with the help of a small activity we will learn. Yes or no? All those things we have learned. I believe you learned and understood something. Today time is already over. So before we meet the next class, we will see. Take care of yourself and practice yourself nicely. Till then, see you.